Hello and welcome everybody to the second video on Soul Kicks TV. So I'm just gonna get right to the point. Today we'll be reviewing the Nike Air Max 270. And I got them in the camo sunset colorway. So here they are right here. Both pairs are here, you see. So starting off with some things I really like about the shoe is, first of all, I think this colorway is absolutely amazing. Nike did a great job representing this colorway, adding the camo, you know, to the big boost at the back. So if you don't know, this is the biggest boost, the biggest Air Max on any Nike shoe ever. And yeah, I like this camo pattern at the back, and that has the orange. And along with the black, I think that this orange tint at the top here, says Air 270, is really, really nice. Now, as for the inside, we have a little Air Max logo there. And I didn't find these comfortable. Like, if I'm being honest, the sole is not comfortable down here, right? It's kind of hard to walk on, but to make up for that, the material at the top is really nice and lightweight and very breathable. As you can see right here, just by pressing it, once, it goes down completely. So it's very, very breathable for your feet. And so as we can see here, we have the little Nike emblem right here. Just your basic kind of laces. As for sizing on this one, I think that it's really good for sizing. Like, I got my size of 13 and it worked pretty well. The only issue I'd have to say is I don't know how it'd fit you if you had wide feet, because I have some narrow feet and this shoe's kind of narrow on the inside. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of narrow. So I don't know if wide footers will be able to, fit into that properly. But if you are a narrow footer like me, then I especially know that this definitely will fit your size from what I know. It's one of the best sizings I've actually seen. It fit my foot absolutely perfectly. Some stuff I don't like about this shoe is that, honestly, it feels kind of cheap, if I'm being honest. Like, this material down here, it kind of feels like styrofoam, but not like the Adidas Boost. It feels like actual just styrofoam. And it feels very cheap, and it gives you a very cheap look. This does not feel very nice. It just kind of feels very cheap quality. One thing that I definitely did notice about this shoe, which is absolutely amazing, is that when you're walking with it, you can feel this ginormous boost at the back. You can feel it getting transferred. You can just see how big this boost is. And when you're walking on it, you really, really feel it. And as for the bottom, and then again, it's quite cheap material. It's like rubber or something, which I don't know. I don't personally like very much, like this certain material along with this pattern. I do like this. This is Air Max at the bottom right here, as you can see. Not a complicated grip at all. This is just kind of a shoe that has the looks, but not the right material and stuff. Even right here is kind of cheap at the front toe right here. I don't even know what material that is, but I really like, it says Air at the back here in black, and I think the black and the orange is totally dope. Like, this colorway is really amazing, eh? And so yeah, out of all, I'd give it a 6 out of 10, just because, it's a great looking shoe, and you're definitely going to be able to show it off. Like, for sure, you'll be able to show it off really well, because it just looks amazing when you walk in it. But it's cheap, and it doesn't feel right on your foot. I don't know why. This definitely isn't one of my favorite shoes, but I would still recommend it just because of how nice it looks. And, it's Air Max 270. It looks really dope. Like I said, there are definitely some stuff that I do like about the shoe, like the boost, as I said earlier. I recommend getting this colorway. It's really nice with the orange and the black and the camo at the back. That rhymed. Yeah, it's really dope. I like it. Then again, just the cheap material is not ideal, definitely. And it comes in the box that you see right here, the white one, Air 270. It's a pretty basic box, just kind of like the shoe. And if you ask me, I think that it looks kind of bare. Like, this is nice, eh? But when you get to the black part, there's nothing. It's just plain black. Like, they added some details, like some little holes with ventilation here for stuff. And, that's basically it. They added a little 270 right here. Otherwise, I think it's kind of bare, It just looks like a regular black shoe, and then you got all this commotion going on in the back, which just doesn't seem right to me for some reason. Like, it just I don't know, it doesn't work for me. It just, I think they should have maybe added something nice to here, maybe some colored laces or something, or even a pattern or a Nike symbol at the top that was a different color, something like that. But you know, this shoe is still a great shoe, don't get me wrong. It's just, I don't know, I think there's more bad stuff about it than there is good stuff, and this might be an unpopular opinion, but like the thing that gets me, that brought me to buy it, was this boost right here, which is just amazing. This Air Max right here, you know, it's great. And if we can see right here, which even adds to the Air Max experience, this kind of goes in. So when you step, it goes in while it also goes down onto the boost. And as I was saying before, these look really, really good when you are, you know, riding, when you're, you know, you're wearing them. So this is how they look right here. Right here, as you can see. They look really dope on your feet. Yeah. That's going to be it for this shoe review. Remember, 6 out of 10. Tell me what you think about this shoe, and tell me what shoe I should review next. See you on the next video.